SassySecret.com introduces Romanda synthetic lace front wig. Romanda is a gorgeous, kinky synthetic lace wig that looks and feels like human hair. She can be parted anywhere in the front up to 4.5 inches of lace. She is very natural. She has a pre-plucked hairline that looks very natural and realistic. The hair is very soft to the touch, and the wig itself is very lightweight. You can tie it up and up to in the front, and it is very easy to wear. Romanda can be worn with or without adhesive. She comes with adjustable straps in the back and 2 combs in the front for a secure fit. Romanda comes in a beautiful 1B30 ombre color as well as a color 1B. Romanda is perfect for the woman who wants a naturalistic texture of African American blow-dried hair. She is perfect for the woman who is on a budget but also wants to look fabulous. This unit is very naturalistic and very gorgeous. Be sure to check us out at SassySecret.com.